Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today I want to teach you how you can avoid certain mistakes before you print a job or basically before separation. Let's say your inner jota or let's say your receipts, you want to print your receipts, then there is one or two the color you are using maybe is RGB and you went for separation, they they are telling you CNYK, the color is supposed to be 100% black. So right now, first, let's dive in straight without any waste of time. This is a company receipt that you have designed successfully like this, and you want to see the success of it being before it's being printed in terms of color. First, let's do Control P for your print. Then come to separation here. From this separation, it's you see your preview. Come to print preview here. You don't have without two waste of time, no two waste of time. Let's come here. Let's do the monitoring. You see, this is CMYK. I mean cyan. This is from page one. Magenta, you don't see anything. You see yellow, you don't see anything. But once you come to black, this is telling you that the entire this is 100% black. That the entire design here has been done with black and not just black, a CMYK black. That is why you can see it in that order. But anything you see outside that particular black, it means that it is another color, either yellow or let's cyan or magenta. So if it falls on a different part, then that is a two color work. So basically, you go and be telling somebody that I want this. If it's a two color work, you can differentiate it. For instance, mm, let's let's change this to let me move away. Let me let me change this to magenta. Yes.